Why are you making a video at night for? Oh, because it's Florida and it's really hot. Why are you up here for? Oh, I got a broken third brake light. I'm going to do this real quick because the internet's horrible. They say it's a 912 bulb. No, it's a 921. And you need two of these. To 2007. Maybe even later. Silverado. I'm sorry my camera's fogging up because I live in a swampy crap hole called Florida. And it's a place I would not recommend to live in. Because when you try to do something, it's either really hot or really cold. Not really cold, really rainy. I lost my screwdriver. Well, let's get it off. So what happens is, see, this climb is ruining my video, I'm sorry. What happens is, these screws, they rust on. Mine are actually very rusty. GM, I'm gonna get struck by lightning over here or some shit with this shitty storm. GM thought it was a good idea to put these screws kind of facing down so water gets in there. Hold on, I'm gonna go destroy my camera. And then the seal they put around the brake light is pretty cheap as well. So it fails on you and it starts leaking. And you wind up getting rust all around here as well. I had rust around here before. Hopefully this thing actually comes out. I like glued this thing in. It's not gonna come out. It's a real pain in the ass job. Just change your third brake light on one of these things because General Motors builds junk vehicles. So let me go get some more tools. Hold on, you're going to need more than a flat blade. This thing's stuck on here. Sorry for the humidity. It's like the minute you want to do something around here, always it rains. Did I mention that Florida is not a fun place? But that's the video because so many people think it's such a challenging job. And they think that like it's complicated or something, and it's really not. I just get stuck on. It's a real crappy design, and I wouldn't recommend buying a General Motors product. You ever see the new Chevy trucks? They take about 4 hours to change a light bulb now. You gotta take apart the whole vehicle. Look at this mess they put on here. Look at this mess. Oh, maybe mine's different, I don't know. How do I get this mess off? There's a whole little clip and everything. Thank you, GM. Just building such a garbage vehicle. Before, this fog's really annoying me. Before I do this, you see the bulbs just have a little bulb holder, and they go in there, and both of them are really blackened, so we're changing both of them. And then there's like this little crappy plastic clip that barely fits over there. Like, it's just really just a garbage design. What you can do though, when the seal's all bad, like I'm gonna do, since I don't have a new one right now, I'm just going to load it up with strip caulking. As you see, this downpour, and I don't have any water down here, so that's a good sign. That's just residual water, I believe. I think anyway. I hope so. Yeah, that's not soaked, no. Yeah. I had rust all over here like a while ago. All in this corner. I ground it all out. Yeah, you might want to check this crap before you put it all back in, but I'm not. I'm going to get struck by lightning because it's Florida. Yeah. How'd this thing go? It clips in from the bottom. Okay. I see how it goes now. I should get another one of these from the junkyard. And just put these clips in. They're very fragile. They might break on you. Whole new light assembly is like $60. I already got a crack in it. You see over there, it's just crack. Ordinarily, I'd put more strip caulking around here, but I don't know where the hell it is. So we're just throwing it in as is. We'll probably just finish it up tomorrow. So we're getting bit by mosquitoes out here. And it's really crappy climate. Yeah, this thing has stress cracks all over it. To put it back in is really tricky. And hopefully, when I put those screws in, I'll hold it in. Really, you should put some sealant around these screws, because GM had no thought about this. I did not test this shit in swampy ass Florida, where it's horrible. I haven't said that. Horrible place. Some people might like it because they're stupid or something. There we go. Tighten your screws. And yeah, I gotta get a new gasket for this for like $9 on eBay. Someone sells them. But I really need a whole new light. But hopefully that works. My bulbs are condensating because it was so cold in my house and I brought them outside that the water came in. That should be enough though. I hope so. Look at all that water coming out of there. Hopefully it seals. If not, tomorrow I'll be taking it out again when I find my strip caulking. I'm not finding it now. And check out our old bulbs. They're 921 bulbs. and they get blackened and they fail. If one goes bad, only one of mine was out, you might as well change both of them. And now I need to prop something on the brake pedal so I can verify my repair and get out of here before it starts downpouring again, because it is Florida and it sucks. Alright, get stuff wedged down here in these trucks. It happens to me all the time. The 88, 98 trucks do not have that problem. But yeah, GM, cheap shit. Surprised it lasted that long. Wow, that's really bright now. Brighter than what it used to be. Alright, I just propped my brake pedal with a piece of wood. We got Trump on, we don't care about that. More out bulbs. And that's how I propped it up in the corner. Let me get that going. That's what you do when you have no friends. Alright, video over in the dark. Change the bulbs, what we do best.